strange and mysterious sounds, bone-rattling shrieks, luring howls, and terrifying whispers. Get ready for the most scary noises ever captured in space, from the sorrowful cries of dying stars to the strange signals from distant worlds. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is unique because it is the only moon known to have its magnetic field. This creates a miniature magnetosphere, a protective bubble that interacts with Jupiter's immense magnetic environment. Scientists believe this internal magnetic field is generated by a liquid iron or salty water ocean beneath its icy crust, similar to Earth's core. The Sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, is a scorching hot region extending millions of kilometers into space. Strangely, the corona is far hotter than the Sun's surface, reaching temperatures of 1 to 3 million degrees Celsius, a mystery that still puzzles scientists. The corona is best seen during solar eclipses, appearing as a glowing halo around the Sun. Deimos is the smaller and more distant of Mars's two moons, the other being Phobos. With a diameter of just 12.4 kilometers, Deimos is one of the tiniest moons in the solar system. It orbits Mars at a distance of 23,460 kilometers, much farther than Phobos, and takes about 30.3 hours to complete one orbit. NASA has identified electromagnetic waves in the magnetosphere of Mars that interact with its moons, despite Deimos' silence. These waves would produce weird, shifting frequencies, like distant cosmic whispers or radio static, when they were transformed into sound. Phobos, the larger and closer of Mars' two moons, is a small, irregularly shaped celestial body. It orbits Mars at a dangerously close distance of only 6,000 kilometers. It's the closest orbit of any moon in the solar system. Due to Mars's gravitational pull, Phobos is slowly spiraling inward and is expected to crash into Mars or break apart into a ring in about 50 million years. Saturn's rings, though appearing serene and silent from afar, are a dynamic and noisy environment filled with fast-moving ice and rock particles. Using its radio and plasma wave science, or the RPWS instrument, NASA's Cassini probe, which orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017, caught unsettling and unusual sounds from the rings. The ring gap silence is an unexpected calm when traveling through the space between Saturn and its inner ring, suggesting fewer particles than anticipated. It was one of Cassini's most shocking discoveries. The Orion Nebula is one of the most breathtaking and active star-forming regions in the Milky Way, located in the constellation Orion. Visible to the naked eye as a glowing patch in Orion's sword, this nebula is a vast cloud of gas and dust, where newborn stars and planetary systems are taking shape. Astronomers have sonified Orion Nebula's data using radio waves, infrared light, and X-rays. Black holes are the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Formed from the collapse of massive stars, black holes warp space and time, creating gravitational distortions that affect everything around them. In 2022, NASA released actual sound waves from the black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster, revealing an unsettling low-frequency wail that gives a terrifying glimpse into the unknown. In October 2017, astronomers detected a strange, elongated object speeding through our solar system. Named Oumuamua, meaning scout or messenger from afar arriving first, in Hawaiian, it became the first known interstellar object to pass through our cosmic neighborhood. Unlike any asteroid or comet seen before, Oumuamua's odd shape, unusual acceleration, and lack of a visible tail sparked wild speculation, including theories of it being an alien probe. Earth's magnetosphere is a vast protective bubble of magnetic fields that shields our planet from harmful solar wind and cosmic radiation. Generated by Earth's molten iron core, this invisible force field extends tens of thousands of kilometers into space, deflecting charged particles and creating stunning phenomena like the Northern Lights and Southern Lights. Solar wind protects Earth's atmosphere by preventing stripping away, trapping charged particles in Van Allen belts, and creating auroras when solar particles collide with atmospheric gases. If you want to hear more crazy or scary interstellar sounds, please show us your support by clicking that like and subscribe button.